All right, guys, you saw us do some of the craziest world modified SF90s out there. Behind me right here is a really special one again. We wrapped this entire thing in a satin silver color. We also added a full 1016 Industries carbon fiber body kit on there. As you can see, the fenders are changed with the carbon fiber vents, which is the most crucial piece on this car. We did front lip, which the 1016 actually has 4 pieces that go on the front bumper. We have that big wing in the back as well. Looks incredible, very easy to install. We're happy with that wing because you don't have to remove anything. You just put it on top. Got a carbon fiber diffuser as well. Novitec springs, obviously to lower down this car, you have to do that. And to top it off, my favorite part, the RDB wheels. These are RDB Zero wheels, very, very popular. And it's a full face design, which is not so common on exotic cars, but I tend to think we made that a little bit popular. But look at that configuration, full face in the back and the front. We have a step lip, polished lip throughout, and then we have the brushed centers as well, retaining the factory OEM Ferrari caps for that look. But I mean, that thing is gorgeous. And look at that OEM interior, it's blue. It's an incredible car. It's one of the most underrated cars in my opinion, and obviously it's a Spider, so I mean on a day like this, it's amazing to drive, and it's super fast, obviously 1,000 horsepower. So I'm in love with this car right now. I don't say that often, but this is truly like a unique masterpiece. It turns heads crazy style whenever you go anywhere. Hope you guys like it. We have many more builds to come, but I think this is probably the baddest SF90 on the planet right now. All right, we got the Hennessy Raptor R Velociraptor behind me. Like I said, this is a very expensive truck, about $250,000, makes 1,000 horsepower based off the Raptor R. And we did a few little things to it. Doesn't need much because the way Hennessy does it, they do the bumpers, they do the wheels, tires, the suspension lift, and obviously the engine work. So we don't need to do much on that. However, they put silver emblems all over it, and this customer doesn't like any of the light colored stuff. So he got custom Hennessy emblems in black already from Hennessy, and he had us change them. As you can see, the front is now in a black. We also have black on the side doors. They used to be silver. What it says Velociraptor. We got a black sticker on the side beds, Hennessy. We got black emblem on the back. This car also has Willwood brakes on the front in red, but the back brakes are factory and they are like, you know, a raw finish. So we went ahead and made the back brakes red as well. So now it has, you know, red all around there. Other than that, that's it. This truck doesn't need anything else. Very light work for us, got it done. We have another Raptor R here that's a previous build. It has RDB wheels on it, which we really love. That has dents on it that we repaired, and we did a service on that too because he went on a road trip with that. So Raptor R's all over the place. Probably the baddest trucks out right now. I mean, this one is the baddest truck out right now. So any of your needs, big or small, contact us.
We are in this beautiful two-tone Cullinan. I love it. We're the ones that did the kit on this car, obviously. But this car is back for some minor little stuff. We're gonna go ahead and check and see why the sensors are acting up. I think there's one of the parking sensors that are acting up or something happened. I'm not sure if he hit the car somewhere, but we're gonna check it out. We're going on the test drive to see what we need. And we do have a message that says you can continue driving. Driver's license permanently restricted. If the problem recurs, have it checked by your service center. Nice. So yeah, this car is very smart. It'll tell you exactly what it needs. And I'm gonna put it on the lift and check it. See what it needs.
Jesus Christ.
All right, guys, so we have this brand new Urus SC behind me. This is the new hybrid Urus, and excited. This is our first one that we are doing any mods on. There is no body kit for it yet. 1016 is in development. They're gonna have it end of August, and he wants to be probably the first one. So we are going to be wide bodying this later, but for now, he wanted to change it up. It looked a little bit boring. It has a lot of accent parts all over it where the color is black. So it was just too much black for him. It wasn't enough. It didn't make the body do justice. So we painted all that black into orange. You don't see the rear bumper on right now because it has been painted and it's sitting in the back right now. But we painted all the side skirts of it, the side moldings, the front end, painted a lot. And this color is insane. It's an $18,000 option from Lamborghini, and it's called Oronchio Ego. And I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it is okay, I'm not Italian. It's a crazy color. This is one of the hardest colors we've ever painted. And we've painted some serious colors, so very difficult to do, expensive. But check out this right here. This came out of the booth, and as you see, painted. This used to be black, and this was black. Didn't show off, you know, the nice design to it, so we painted it. And what you see now on the body is a satin PPF. So we had to paint this satin Oronchio Ego so it matches, and then this is PPF. So the rest of the car is getting the PPF right now. It's gonna be a cool looking build without doing any aftermarket stuff to it. So you guys will see the end results of that, and then sooner or later this is gonna get wide bodied, so stay tuned.
Pero todo este cover, aquel cover, todo ese cover, después este güey no.
Sensor replaced from Kiss, and it had sat around for quite a while, a few months.
Are you watching a tutorial?
And these are really good cars for draining a battery.
Pero
and it had
no
totally
entiendo.
exhausted.
Mi
You want
Nintendo.
me to translate?
Two
Mi
batteries on it.
Nintendo.
So
Oh,
when I picked it up,
You don't know where the batteries are?
that did
Nope.
ring
It's
some
in
alarm
the
bells because I
trunk.
did lend my
Aquí dice,
CPAP charges to a friend
aquí dice que
who's got
están
the
dos
audio
baterías. Está
array.
una,
They plug their
dice que
audio
una
array
es
to
intensa, la regular,
and it's a
y
very
tiene
low
una
mileage car. It's only done about 4,000 or 5,000 miles.
alterna que es como una extra.
External?
Ajá, external
And,
battery.
they
Ajá.
plugged it in and it came up with
Javier,
it correctly.
¿sabes qué, loco? Anda a comer, y después de que comamos, esa madre, el cerebro ya va a estar más fresco y vamos a poder quitar esa chingadera. Y
More relaxed?
sí, mucho, ahorita el cerebro necesita comer también, no jodas. No vayas a quebrar una copa de ese carro cerote. No vayas a quebrar una copa porque te la van a sacar del culo.
Those are probably so expensive.
They got this.
They had it designed.
Yeah, it's a design.
Ay, qué
Yeah.
bonito. Ay, cerote.
Ay.
Ah, puto.
It drives fucking, oh fuck yeah. It drives really nice. This is almost $900 a month. You know that, right?
You would own this?
Oh yeah. Very nice car. That car's badass.
That car matches Wagon.
Which one?
The smart one.
A small one.
What's up?
So we have this Hummer EV behind me, and it was in a very major front end accident. We had to change everything, more so on that side. Changed all the inner pieces. This thing is really big, so when it gets into a heavy accident, there's so many parts to it. But also this is a very hard color again. Oranges we're finding out are one of the hardest, toughest colors to match. And this one was the doozy as well. This is kind of like a sun-kissed orange. It's a solid orange, which is very much easier than that metallic Urus orange we just did. But check it out. We're gonna be installing all the front end on it. Everything's been painted. As you can see, the whole front end's been painted. We have the bumper, we have all that stuff. So we're gonna put it on and complete the summer.
up, guys? Here we have a 2021 Rolls-Royce Cullinan in for service. Checking the brakes, checking the tires. It's been sitting for a while, so he wants to make sure it's all good. And he wants it back today, so that's not gonna happen. Moses isn't here today, so I'm kind of taking his place. No, it's gonna get done today because Moses isn't here.
Oh, so it's opposite.
It's the opposite, yeah. But I'm gonna try to get it done today, but as you see, we have a full house here, so I don't have any lifts or anything, but I mean, here at RDB, we'll try to make it happen.